this section of my video, we'll be going through the concept of NCERT chapter number 13, Magnetic Effects of Current for class 10th. In this section, we'll be going through the concept of right hand thumb rule. This right hand thumb rule is very important in calculating or identifying the direction of lines of forces and hence the direction of magnetic field across any conductor. Now, let us study what right hand thumb rule is. Consider this as a straight conductor. Let us imagine that the current is flowing from downward to upward direction. According to right hand thumb rule, if we hold this conductor in such a way that the direction of my thumb points in the direction of current, then the rotation of my fingers, see the wrapping of my fingers, the rotation of my fingers will give the direction of lines of forces across this conductor. As you can observe, the current was going from downwards to upwards, so I was holding this conductor in such a way. So the motion of my fingers is like this. So lines of forces, as you all know, are formed in the form of concentric circles around it. Let us go through a statement first. As the right hand thumb rule says, as the actual statement, if you hold a current carrying conductor in such a way that the thumb of your right hand points in the direction of current, then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of field lines. I am talking about any of the conductor. Let us again illustrate this with the concept of a diagram. Let us draw a simple diagram. Consider this as conductor AB. Let us assume that the current is flowing from A to B. Applying right hand thumb rule, I'll hold this conductor in this manner, as my thumb is always pointed towards the direction of current. The rotation of my fingers, as you can observe, the rotation of my fingers was like this, or you can say anti-clockwise direction. Hence, lines of forces in the form of concentric circles are formed across this conductor. Now let us suppose another conductor changing the direction of current. Let us suppose, considering another conductor AB, in this time the current is flowing from B to A. This time we will be holding this conductor in this sense, such that my thumb is always pointed downwards. The direction of my fingers, again, the direction of my fingers will give the direction of lines of forces across it. As you can observe, again, my fingers were moving like this, or you can say in anti-clockwise direction. Hence you can observe how changing the direction of current also changes the direction of lines of forces or a magnetic field across any conductor. When the current was going from A to B, the field lines were formed in the form of anti-clockwise, while when the current is flowing from B to A, the field lines has been formed in clockwise direction. So, as this is an important concept, with the help of this logic, we can calculate the direction of field lines across any conductor. So this was the basic logic and concept of right hand thumb rule. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.